What do we got today? Plain old Ruger box. Now wait a minute. LCP Max. We're going to check this out. What do we get? Box. I wish they would give you nice plastic cases anymore with your hard-earned dollars when you purchase a gun, but they don't. So, my one complaint. Coupons. Owner's manual. If I can get it out of the box here. Owner's manual, a sticker, handgun safety notice. Turn that around so you can read it. There you go. A pocket holster. And a gun. This is Ruger's new LCP Max. A little bit about it. 10 round capacity. So you get this little magazine here, and you get 10 rounds of 380 ACP. Kind of a bottleneck shape here. What's different about it? Well, 10 round capacity. The grip is a little bigger, a little more rounded. Biggest thing, and the biggest thing that I liked about this, and I'm not a pocket pistol guy, is the sight picture, right? And I'll see if I can get this in the camera view for you, is those sights. Hopefully you can see them. Pretty decently. You get a night sight with a white ring, blacked out rear. Makes a huge difference in sighting this pistol. Sights are easily identifiable. They're ready to pick up. It's a U-notch. That's my biggest rave about this gun. It's still an LCP. Trigger pull, not bad for a pocket pistol. Slide, ease. I don't think it's all that much more, maybe just a little bit more than the Shield Easy 380. And I don't know if you guys can see it or not. See if I can turn this around a little bit. But there's a little wing right on the back, right, that makes it, gives you a little bit of purchase when you're trying to rack the slide on this. Magazine release. Standard location, does stick out pretty decently. Left-handed shooter can get it. Right-handed shooter, no problem. So, doesn't matter whether you're left or right hand, however you want to do it. Index finger. Not bad. Pleasantly surprised. I like the grip feel way better than I do the standard LCP2. I did bring along a standard LCP2. For comparison, first thing I'm going to show you is the comparison in sight picture. And let's see if I can get this done in front of a camera. Yeah, I know I'm moving around a bunch. But you get an idea of how the sights compare. The standard LCP here, the sight picture has always been a complaint, right? You just got these machined nubs that they call sights, where the LCP Max has got some decent interchangeable dovetailed in sights. As far as profile, the profile of the guns, let me close the slides here. Profile of the guns is almost identical except for the height. So LCP Max in the front, LCP2 in the rear. That's your profile. Biggest difference is going to be on the Max. We'll see if we can get you guys to see this here. Here's your standard LCP. On the Max, if we hold them pretty close to one another, just trying to eyeball this, you do get a little bit more length on the LCP Max. It does come with an extension. If you want to put this on the bottom of your magazine, you can. But you're looking at a little bit wider than the LCP2, a little bit longer. Total gun height is a little bit taller, including the sights. As far as, you know, slide width or anything, I think they're almost identical. I don't know if they're, I know they're not the same slide, but I don't know if they're interchangeable or not. View from the bottom, you can see the increased width, right? LCP2 has got a laser on it, so finding a holster for this is a little more difficult. But LCP Max, with the upgraded sights, I think the lasers are going to be not quite as popular, because that was always a complaint with the LCP2, is the sights are so bad that somebody wanted some type of sighting system on it. But this makes a difference. The sights make a difference on the whole gun. It is still a pocket pistol. Accuracy, I don't know. I haven't shot it yet. I want to take it out and shoot it, do a full review on it, but we'll get there eventually. It's pouring down rain. It's a brand new gun. This actually is the one that goes in the case. So, yeah, stay tuned, guys, and we'll see if we can get some rounds through one of these things and let you know how they shoot.